Sachin is saying, sir, if we make Q-shape profile after consolidation, we'll need more confirmation for downside. Yeah, you need to understand is that it's always a sequence, all right? Balance, imbalance, balance, imbalance. Now, if you want to cover a lot of ground, usually what will happen is, let's say someone sold here and they see this kind of a spike down and they hold in hopes of more downside, and then market opens a little higher, they will try to cover their profits. Who is selling to them? Someone who knows that market is going to go much lower. And now if the market goes lower, technically you might have a Q shape, but logically if you think, it's what? Someone who sold yesterday, panic, covered their shorts, smart money used this opportunity to pile on to more shorts, market continues lower, takes out yesterday's low, gives us the confirmation that it wants to go lower. May not have a snapback and may also not need more confirmation and can go even lower. So let's say market does this, spikes down, next day is something like this is happening, spikes down, we can spike down and again balance, and then something like this can happen. Let's say you are waiting for a snapback and continuation, this may not happen because we are in a low usage area and market may move swiftly. So that is why what is of primary importance is that you take out the yesterday's low. Unless and until you take out yesterday's low, it does not give you the confirmation that yes, market wants to move lower, sellers are in control and they remain in control, and preferably like if you can close below yesterday's low, that is even better. Sachin is saying point of control forming below yesterday's low will be confirmation. No, not point of control. It's difficult for it to form now below yesterday's low. If you look at this is yesterday's low. Let's say it, even if it starts falling now, alright. So what we have left, FGHI, this is 4 and 3, 7 TPOs left. So we need a spike and then we need this, only then it will form lower. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is even if it like moves lower for not very fast and then maybe give another spike down, I will not be too keen to look for a pullback because this may or may not happen. It may happen, but there is also possibility that we may not find a need to pull back and just straight away continue low. So point of control is difficult for a market to form below yesterday's low unless like E period spikes or F period spikes and then develops all the TPOs side by side, give a double distribution kind of a day, then it's a different story. But I don't see it happening like that, at least at the moment.